Hi, I'm Erika from Erika's Learning Studio. I create fun, simple learning ebooks for busy mums. No stress, just learning through play. Mum, if you're feeling overwhelmed and you know you should be doing more with your child's early learning, but you just don't have the time or energy to plan anything, then you are at the right place. The Complete Learning Adventure Pack takes that pressure off your shoulders. It gives you ready-to-use activities that teach your child letters, colors, numbers, and early skills through play. You don't have to figure anything out. You don't have to plan anything after a long day. It's already done for you. Just open it, sit with your child, and start learning together in a simple, calm way. Tap on the link in my bio to see what's inside the Complete Learning Adventure Pack. You might be surprised how easy learning can be.